Cohen-Sutherland line clipping in computer graphics. Cohen-Sutherland line clipping is an algorithm used in computer graphics to clip a line to a specified window or viewport. It is one of the simplest and most widely used line clipping algorithms. Some key points about the Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm are: line classification. The algorithm divides the line into 4 regions, each represented by a unique code based on the position of the endpoints relative to the clip window. Clipping codes. The 4 regions are completely inside the clip window, completely outside the clip window, to the left of the clip window, to the right of the clip window, above the clip window, and below the clip window. Endpoint modification. If an endpoint is outside the clip window, it can be modified so that the line is clipped at the boundary of the clip window. Intersection calculation. The clipped line is found by calculating the intersection of the line with the boundaries of the clip window. Display. The clipped line is then displayed within the clip window. Efficiency. The Cohen-Sutherland algorithm is relatively fast and simple, but it can be computationally expensive if the clip window is large and many lines need to be clipped. Optimization. Optimization techniques, such as bounding boxes or spatial indexing, can be used to reduce the number of lines that need to be clipped and improve the overall performance of the algorithm. The Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm is widely used in computer graphics applications, such as computer-aided design, CAD, animation, and 3D modeling. It provides a simple and efficient way to clip lines to a specified window and is a crucial step in many computer graphics algorithms. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.